Once upon a time, in a small, quiet village, there lived a cat named Whiskers. Whiskers was not like other cats in the village. While the other cats would run, jump, and play all day, Whiskers loved to sleep. He would sleep in the morning, sleep in the afternoon, and even sleep through the cool, breezy evenings. Whiskers' favorite spot was the soft, sunny patch of grass near the bakery. Every morning, the smell of fresh bread and sweet cakes would drift through the air, but Whiskers didn't care. All he wanted to do was lie on the grass and nap. Whiskers, don't you want to catch mice like the other cats? Asked Bella, a cheerful gray cat from next door. Whiskers yawned and stretched his paws. Why catch mice when I can nap? It's so much easier, he replied, curling back into a ball. The villagers began to notice how lazy Whiskers was. That cat doesn't do anything, said the baker, shaking his head. He's always asleep. Whiskers didn't mind the comments. In fact, he thought his life was perfect just the way it was. But little did Whiskers know, his days of endless napping were about to change. One sunny afternoon, as Whiskers was enjoying his usual nap, a loud noise woke him up. It was the sound of a wagon rolling into the village square. Whiskers opened one eye and saw something unusual. A traveling merchant had arrived, and with him was a cage holding a small, energetic mouse. The villagers gathered around the merchant's wagon. This is Squeaky, the smartest mouse in the land, the merchant announced. He can solve puzzles, find hidden food, and even escape from locked cages. The villagers clapped and cheered as the merchant demonstrated Squeaky's tricks. Whiskers, however, was not impressed. A mouse? How boring, he muttered, closing his eyes again. But that evening, something strange happened. Squeaky's cage was left near the bakery, and the clever little mouse managed to escape. He sniffed the air and smiled. This village is full of food. I'm going to have a feast. The next morning, the villagers woke up to find their bread, cheese, and fruit missing. It must be that mouse, shouted the baker. We need a cat to catch him. All eyes turned to Whiskers. Me, catch a mouse? Whiskers said, sitting up in surprise. But I don't chase mice. The villagers begged him. Please, Whiskers, you're the only cat near the bakery. If you don't help us, Squeaky will eat everything. Reluctantly, Whiskers agreed. Fine, he said with a sigh, but don't expect too much. Whiskers followed the trail of crumbs Squeaky had left behind. The clever mouse, however, was ready. He had hidden behind a stack of flour sacks and peeked out when Whiskers entered the bakery. Looking for me? Squeaky said with a laugh, darting past Whiskers in a blur. Whiskers tried to chase him, but he was too slow. Every time he pounced, Squeaky was already gone. Whiskers was tired and out of breath after only a few minutes. You're going to have to try harder than that, lazy cat. Squeaky teased, disappearing into a crack in the wall. Whiskers sat down with a huff. This is impossible, he said. I can't catch him. But just then, Bella walked in. Whiskers, you need a plan. Squeaky is smart, but if you think carefully, you can outsmart him. That night, Whiskers thought hard. He realized that he couldn't rely on speed. He needed to use his brain instead. Early the next morning, Whiskers set his plan into motion. He placed a piece of cheese in the middle of the bakery floor and hid behind a large barrel. He waited patiently, his ears perked up and his tail perfectly still. It wasn't long before Squeaky sniffed the air and came out of his hiding spot. Cheese. My favorite, he said, scampering toward it. As Squeaky reached the cheese, Whiskers leapt out from his hiding spot. This time, he was quick and silent. Squeaky didn't have time to escape. "I've got you now," Whiskers said triumphantly, his paw holding Squeaky in place. The villagers cheered when Whiskers brought the mouse to them. "You've saved our market, Whiskers," said the baker. "No more missing food." From that day on, Whiskers became a hero in the village. He still loved to nap, but he also realized the importance of helping others. And as for Squeaky? The villagers decided to let him stay, as long as he promised to behave. With Whiskers keeping an eye on him, Squeaky never caused trouble again. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.